pono ewie pre yereze Mickey awon de ne beba no aba be join any abo adwuma na hyehyɛ no akoye pre timi ediama your producers no your Ricardo Vras Lutakina can be DJ Rocky Junior na fe nas okwamsi awa yima akeche mu na fe panimo ene omoma kani nyina na school fees mo akeka ne ma de sie ni a ebo na ne makoye pa etimi edama na dwuma de na seda no en confirm ya bo Freddy King akere a over the weekend no live commentary ni beba dia real bama komo anytime ye from out folk na commentary ni beba na mu ede na ayhwam pretimi ediama dia abe heba clinic omadaroma ede ye rerama ye bomode na ya ye dwuma na kama pretimi ara ma mediki akade a chozo mo ba ye no omedwuma na mo ye na no edempa wasem nko na ma mi no ye ya bi wa na nkofo kekanka ze ni edru boromo be no omaba bebo ama na timi asa no anase omobo ama sa ya ye ni nyina no how na nkofo na mu na tu atwa niam ekoye pretimi ara ma sekese onsense makwada no obeba be Ghana dachi mampenyi emani wansa na nkofo ekanka zonya 1920 obekome pacho abe bai no saade no tu atware omobre no ze obi na mo a hunipa oboze wabu ahwe na no epu rosa ni na hwe etimi edu dwuma na ne omobre no omoboa ama nkofo center boat ni yamiamu pa uza center boat no emane de na ozo mo ya na mumiamiamu na bebi achichi bebi aye doye bema o center boat ni wikimpe okoso ba kumienu no uza mpa wankasa wa yemre eba ne sanda 1 minute na girls no etimi ere ama abe heba clinic aboa ama nei no sa how ni nyina etu etimi atwa tie nie penis enlargement no moye makaze ne girls no ketwa 5000 kese 5000 omani eja kese no pa ntu ye boy na wade no nyasa ono wo wise afoni ma na tetems wo rom na edu ko bim nations a transition no eye abe heba clinic nko na ye okwa ebe meja de no first day di amount na fe ya shase atwoduo ye betwa do bo second no nko no won transition na shase eye djuma ne makoye pa etimi ediama ntiko na wade ne mpejam emmacho fabo adwuma na guess no emma mo piafo enye no nko a oyo babo sume so obunsam na ka odwe ne nam yaye eya de edunya low spec count ha dwen prostate cancer oya be ma onyu prostate ne ye kese wenye dura ebe so anu enu bebi no ye de ade bi ko na kwa kotu be ma basa baby guess o ma form wadi neje kumti asimponi na ne ye de na kwa ko ramon samampom na tumuzampa edwuma ne ade a yesi eba no ho yi ha tombeboa ena bacteria infection ni na no omowe etimi edu ndwuma hepatitis no ye so eno de ama omo maso okwa ye bo modern sickle cell test ne ye be ye etimi ediama na scan test no ewreme ma sickle cell test no monkora monkonko ebi na ye hu status no sere be ya etimi ema ha bia na ebeboa na ne makoye pretimi ediama repatchoko ma mi ye dwuma pena town so apatropa new site o omo be apatropa junction no fa number no 0243 345392 0243 345392 0506 460208 0506 460208 0506 460208 fre na one mami abe eni nkomo ya mane nyansa obeboa no wagana so na ne makoye pa etimi ediama didi na eduane ma hodin didi eduane ma nkwatintin didi na eduane boa ma ne ma bia wuye bia no etimi ewie prepare timi era me no na me kan for X5 restaurant and pub etimi era ma se romo maso ye eduane no udi anya ni di no nko a hwe ne de no na afre hwe de ebeboa na pom de na wie pre na bebi akwakotena didi no ya na ehiye pa babu atu edidi adede sa ya na ha drink akra bebu okotena didi a one way ya wakoti ya kese area ko fie eti F5 restaurant and pub bankuni tilapia bankuni okro super na stew no beja fufuo no okwaze mame nkwan no wa hu kombi no keka frafra sa mame ene ope tilapia nkwa ponche nkwan emre ne nwa era afa remu nam ni nyina no usa betimi akebi jollof rice na pe emutu ampesi wache enuane ne de ope baby asoto no na afa mu edeye pa dia X5 restaurant and pub na abeko akwakojo obi fi amano ne abedin si eduane no ne obedi bia omabomodin a ne foreign dishes awdo na benya bi eba ne special fried rice eba ne french fries pizza ene de kaka unyina eboa nyama ne ma deye pa etimi ediama drinks no de anu eden de anu emre de mu ede ni nyina no sabeka bizenne osomboso moko aso ye kramoni ni nyina no obetimi edidi ona ne ma koye pa ediama mo ho kese a omobo mode netimi edi ema han etize ne no after wedding no reception no pese koso a ebe koso pa ho no so omedimi edi asa bebi ana ne ma akoye pa etimi edi ama omo se ne wedding na abafie party ne koso ye na aba de edi nipa dodo na aba bedi nhyiamu no mepacho X5 restaurant and pub ni omo nkasa omeye nduane no ayefo ne ba bedi a omani beso yie pa mepacho opomo a oro ni chemo crofro CC care from no obenya omo form number no 0549 609697 0549 609697 yambwa nyane mandida yepa emfa mo madaroma ye baba betramu ye adwuma no etimi edema kama pa na Simense ba clinic onkoya kona yamwa yendo sodo na nema endida ye performa nami area no na headquarters eni okwa headquarters ye brani aboa na etimi ahwere Simense ba clinic omo ere aboa ye ntoto ya no na tie nie omo zambua ya ye dididi so no ye bema nyano so ya ne etu ase oya oba wawari beze 20 years ni babi ama ya na eha dwen kakra onso mo na afi nkumanfo no omano dendenden sa na etwa etimi remonti mana bema no mabu adwuma babi amfimo ma ni nyina Ramo Siemens omaso omre na ya boa ma nema koyie pera ma diabetes omudi udwuma hypertension na afi ojonso a obre oya oba na bema no sa na edunya oba bosume so e ka odwe sa na nkofo edewe calendar tize sister aye tiape bosume aso enche yebetwi aka na afi so no se o kidney no o lungs na liver no na no wenya bibi kakra ana wenya ha obi wo ho a ama ne ha adwen ama doctor credit clear so obewu no Ramo Siemens ba clinic omaso omre na ya boa ma nema koyie dia mo lab kese a okwa ye doso na nema koyie da ma na afi so no yesan wo mpemfo a yeheda tu omosi wa omo ne betwe aduane adi wanze obi na masasi so anopa bononsi anko no wahunu gayi no di maza na don kwa na abonya dondo wawe ya be wuntemo ni nyina no ko omo betwe aduane a enu moja ne bekọ ebeboa na wogya na so na nema koyie dia ma ultrasound scan no mutwa ena afi so kra no yo nema bebredi be wura ma bibia ada ye pretimi ara ma na Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture. Oh my goodness na adro we no do na friend agan na agan wuli no na boa ma agan bi ni na muntamu akoyi o cheda nya di bia ba ase baby girls ne check no za kwa na ni sisi mudi ntia o de akonka baby girls na we ya no secret ni na ba kopẹ e Siemens Vital Herbal Mixture do na friend agan timi pacho uramo baby ana ebe ma wode na ba form ma form kra e wo so anu ma che ne seti a ememe wasa sisu nyina na agya na mutimi pacho ma gan di wanim kan ma gan ma da support no ti agan jetly agan rainbow ebeboa sisie mu be den wo ba ayifi obecheche baby akono asundua be fie opomo a oru wani chemo asokori mampa oru wani achemo e o maxima road na no ne die ni meko na kokoje waya isa na nema enkoye man after agan no wa beba ba bedamase 0240616061 esa on WhatsApp 0240616061 obetimia WhatsApp ne Dr. Kaso beboa ena 0279356570 0279356570 niamwa na niamwa koye performance omo kan be live commentary beba Saturday orwani chemo bama kwa na chese no Orlando be gina mu no watu janaba Real na se Real Bamako omo ene hat to folk CAF Confederations Cup no na chese agan mu be rerama abe near the live commentary no etimi abron tentem so ma men concern no so na me ni nkomo lawyer Kwesi Nyantechi emre bi atwam na Ghana football no pimpa no da no bojuma etimi ere me na nkomo twetwemo ene de dikan e bi so pimpa no ze ne Ghana ye be call World Cup na selection a yere kwa ram no ne de no ye ni bida ene coach otuado dia ne de no ya ebeboa me football niema akoye pera me so select players di omo konkomo sei eno pimpa no bo de
Ghana de obia ni ji ball ho nti adwenkyere ne de bebre Ghana obia yes obia ye coach nti coach aye de adwuma hye ne nsa de ese onye gidie we ne mu sei ne modern bonti na ye de adwuma na hye ne nsa nti onhwe na onye adwuma ne ye na on choose the best Ghanaian players on betimi abo World Cup na se utie ne obia ka dia ebe confuse you because me meti have my opinion what your opinion obi fufo nso opinion ba yenye coaches ba o na o ye coach a o formation na o de kobo na coach nso should be firm say obi antimi enka bibia oni nipa na nya adwene na wafa dabi say o use professional judgment doctor nchese o yare a o no call medical school obehwe say yare be na how adura obehi na odi ama untimi nko doctor ncheze me paracetamol untimi nkanza what you say enti coach nso saa na mpese yeti asese ono nso akọ coaching school enti si wo gidi pass on na betimi aye adwuma na ye man support no na ontimi nya adwuma no say ontimi nya adwuma na say ye na dictate man any onyina ba bi kra na obi foforo me ye adwuma no
Atia no ye command your bomb what etime di erefa san hye no cheze coach no ono na ye adwuma no onfa ne nansi form no hwe no nya ne selection presido enche no ndri de ayuba be ka so we Ghana creative ye the World Cup yes ya hundudo na ye den omo no be ko because omo no ye ogafo senior players ye den a be ko na omo akwa kujama bu adwuma na boama ne makwe na zan komo no tv na dia na okay the fan
ejina coach ni nche near the day you carry any day or a adjuncture keke na or chere e no nchire say sana coach ni be ye na djuma because enyo no ni coach ni o carry no kra o say may senior players no may be able to end the coaching selection but I don't just say automatic because many times all my drop senior players after younger players and at certain times so you drop younger players and you have senior players and the strategy coach in a kobo and yeah based on age or experience and quantity the selected players nipa na more in totality in total and coach in a beshe nti I know the technical issue obi antimi nkyere say we na be ana enye we na be ni obi abeka bia opinion and everyone has his the right to express himself the day you right.
Atia no ye koma bomb de etime fan after no and opempe bie niam so etime ra che timer na otia kunya kese no so no nanka ne de so no ene se de bi obeba na kakafa kunyi wa baba betra so na wetime abo adwuma na boa ama ne ma etime akọ ebiza na nsem bisa na yatete tibia na oncheche mu na de so bisa wo hana
batrom reson me wo ho dia me colleagues cry bebre etime kasa kire me say oh you are the next leader nti enyam won say aye room obi oye leader okokasa obekasa opese utu ne fi ho but Ahmed na mebo ana pa nti ono aka say oh dako ko politics na say me wo ara na obe support me
Atia no ye koma lawyer Kwesi Nyantechi apomode de rati come on Kings TV Kina lead na OTA sere niema isi according to mo de ba na chesampa lawyer me say adeniama bia ha adwen pa na so ni nyina mo no kejuma no bi ka brabo no webo amane wada ye peda mo tiefio na yensen ramo Aduana Football Club o maso ye Kwame Adom Frimpong midfielder de mo na Frimpong na no de a league chance ejuma bona no de 3 matches 2 MVP 2 goals and an 8 OSR ni si kwa September ya nominating na player of the month NASCO player of the month ni RS obinya na de rika no e biza na say Aduana abo 3 matches o mo bono no de pomu eninchu no no ankasa transfer assess no a sammo mo ankasa he fa ne fi nkomo sei e na Adom Frimpong bo mo de dijai
players in the doors and all Ghana and 18 years before and 18 before so be a nomination be no edizen it means in that kind no dey so my name we say players in the doors and all Ghana and 18 years before and 18 before so be a nomination be no edizen it means in that kind no dey
Atia no ye komo bombo de etimi edi eja ni nyina mo na boa ama na amade da ye pre etimi ere me on nei no ya nominating so player of the month no na sabe etimi aka after no and as the league no form ya wenya ya ne kra ebia obetimi nya player of the month no league na hot you na e ba ni si amu players no ya de ne den na ye se na ya musifa sa de ma bisi
na me ka se nkwa so na ha me e be teams ni na nso because e ba ni say no teams ni bi so mu players ka and you think you will be also a good fit in your place ka place so at target amara ho me find say near ma sha say course dey set target no na we are breaking league say in something fees no we high ana bana say so motivate e ho na ye say ya ye ni man e mati ko ye man e target meeting reach no ye course no ye very training serious na ya ntimi dey me afa me training serious
Atia no ye command Kwame Adom Frimpong midfielder de Aduana Football Club en kan no bwejume de Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko area baba betu ya Michael Akufo midfield Gaddafi ojame de Kim Pfizer as a player coach na ene Akufu na commodity no ye bisan se league na hoti na league ya ini a hoti Kim Pfizer monso maso ye no zo ye play league wa ba cha nim na ni so pa no de na kan de fast ansem no
boy my area prepare well and kwa boy my lapses be what team no mpanyimfo ahia say ye ho adwuma nti no so they say by doso the through the league matches na coaches no be selection no be players on betimi e de o makono makosi akandi ama country nti no say kobani say na at the matches bia nkoso final matches so me share that me nka say no si ade bia mpanyimfo betimi e de hu players in the media form nti no league match na ye twintwa LSM no me dey ha me because after all this while, after all these years, this is the first time I Ghana Premier League get me main sponsor. I bet power. Now after 3 matches, near at this league, you are trusting saying, and you know, I did hard. Into me bomb pay same penny for the money. We say Omuko court now on the 14th. Now I'm betting you the Yama assist to 2 acquaintance and a bear. I bet me a reason league and a Bibiako Yama.
Eltia no ye koma Midfield Gaddafi abomodere je after no so fa baby no eya ne sa izanze we ya suspend na beboa ama Kimfaiza aboboko no omo etimi esiesi omo ye na nema adeda ye petimi era momo
boy my area prepare well and kwa boy my lapses be what team no mpanyimfo ahia say ye ho adwuma nti no we are preparing very well nti no nanka ye no kotoko just coming Sunday I twemi nka ye no kotoko na ebo after they played on Wednesday nti no the Yankupon baby at least we are preparing nti e bom pass that league in resume will be prepared enough to be able to play sure but boy my area
Tia no ye command Michael Akofo Midfield Gaddafi ebo de de fan wan nyina na ebo amanema ekoye kama pa so no etimi ediem after no ye bizanze na Kimfaiza last season na nsuo mu dam na this season so the marshals see 3 matches and famamo de bia ye hye mo na Akofo di ampa na ekoso Kimfaiza so
the football ni won bebre wom because we share a cup pre-season honkeka na boys no wa na ye wo assurance say start league na ye sa honkeka no kwa bibia bekoye no ankoba sa we are still working during pre-season because the cup pre-season ya say we see match ye west cry na ye draw no we say the sa honkeka no beko season but ankoba sa more na kwa a loss of concentration ngama ene ko fast animal by tin empenyufo di na egu akwan se na be sack boys no because I say motivation will from omankasa they have to motivate themselves no so mun cycle mun ka so mu ba be Premier League most of them no mun bo Premier League rather this is the first time mun bo Premier League ntino bi wa say ya kan sakra G3 kakra ni so kakra wo mun ntino ya bobi da no motivate omo se na be ya ombetimi edina omo na so no motimi akon dia making face because aim for this season is say at least 1 to 10 the year kin face abo e was zone muntino bibia yen see because after about 3 matches we still have 31 matches to go ntino we sure say bibia betimi I fine
Eltia no ye koma Midfield Gaddafi Michael Akofo abomodere je nyina meboa amane makoye pretimi erma na ye fio ne enko kudi nkomo nyambo ochna na heart folk ebebu market mefimo ewo Ghana na omodo mani akwakoche mo Mali na yabo abom na Saturday sededra baba shai confirm na 4 pm game no etimi atodwa na aboana ne madaye pa etimi era mo no man name 22 man list ochna omoko akwakoje ma boama ne makoye pa etimi era ma team no de wo say Ibrahim Salifu Pranintino wentimi and recover mama me join mani ya eni omo entimi ambo ejuma ntu wese won hye no esi etie ni di Iroma Tumusampa ano edin ye papa na squad no ene hon common goalkeepers yo Richard Atta Richmond Ayi na Eric Ofoyentwi defenders no Fatau Mohamed Samuel Nkum Rashid Okan na Branti Effendi Dennis Kosa Robert Adosowa Konedu Jadom Kalepa Mankwa Mohamed Al Hassan Zakaria Yakubu ena afo ba midfielders no so ene ya Daniel Cordier Seydou Suaj Enoch Asubonten Glasen Awako Gideon Asante Prince Nana Kwesi Damank ena ba attackers na Yashin Yasan Owashin ene ya Kwijo Obin Junior Daniel Friebane ena Junior Kaba coaches no David Oklu be assistant coach no na elidi omode omako Richard Opon goalkeepers coach ena Benjamin Mensah enso you goalkeepers coach na ba kwa omohe na aboama ne madaye pa etimi era moment ya 22 man list omode Ramo Mali no ena mabobo bobo so etimiara makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene omo ba enkofa kensie ba kwa no pei e wada kujache omo chia so kwa Deportivo bom eka no mako enuma omo entimi anti Steven Amankona Siroro enya go ba ko na afi Steven Mukwala Enoch Morrison Nicholas Mensa Miki na Abranti FN Samo Boatino Kocha omune nya go so no edema krobia na oma confirm se niama didama omune the Jaguars of Belize na Belize national team no kotokoni ombeko obeka e ka chozo omune omo agreement a matches ni be mienu na pin the release aba ze niama didadia on the 18th and afi on the 20th November and ombebo sa matches no after no omeba be Remo Ghana no omoba Ghana na on the 27th no Ghana check up ne Roma omune Great Olympics ebetimi edi abo eni sa pepe and Remo krobia omaswe ya ababa betodwa me don sensem no ewram so etimi edi ama my gagomia ye ni nkomo nsem ne doso menim bebi ana ofa na after onoma ba apostle so na ade akabi ewram.
Yes, abudi abi ma ye nchia etifo na wie ye famra Sompa Sports live on your Facebook 93.1 FM, so person join here on Facebook. President former president of the Ghana Football Association, Mr. Kwesi Antechi aka in December akwana medubi. Abu, first of all, the man was being cautious with the statement because some person didn't know better asimbu. But ninsem nankasa all ye cautious na all can no kra na say no kre ye no kre. Se coach di enkono na ye na dwuma e wo se Ghana for ye nyina yetimi hwe no. Na players obe pick no. Otimi di omko wura to the national team no oboa no mukusi akan. Se de be ya bibi kosi na se ye bo no so bo a Abu Dhabi anya afi no bi ba be defend no and obi kwa kwetena ba bia akọ cancel fufuro. Many nkofo bebre di nkomo a if there is one thing Mr. Kwesi Antechi here during the time no AGFA president na esa Abu Dhabi own interfere in selection especially for players. Own interfere. Coach ka send the first 11 year. Kwesi Antechi anya afi na oba be scrutinize ehunu se fa we bo fa we gina ha fa yesi. Say ye frɛ national team players among wabesi akanya onye Blasters management committee chairman. It will jina aside. Na maba be ye adwuma na players omu deserve say what's here from na mu de omaba. It at the end of the day Abu Dhabi say coach ne kona wantimi achieve results a. Na o blame ni say adanti na akoye wantimi afa results say ama. Ontimi emfa players any excuse because on one year dey e foul alongside the management committee. It is a very dangerous thing currently in the higher Blasters. Okay, say Ketokreku be the president of Ghana Football Association. Yeah. O make a statement be say coach no bet my selection there but we are also musu shame. We are also musu shame. The moment there is an interest from you, even you, the president, or Blaster selection, it means it say squad na ka say mu achim yenu. And sakwa no mo de be call the tournament. Your players on mudi 2 years as president na dem ba ha, enye wu coach na afa me. And your players on moon say omo na de omo ba enye president na de ba e. Afi na we twe ne ho, na we yesi, me na me pass ball ma wo president na ko yesi. Me na me pass ball ma wo talent yesi ne ko yesi. All of these politics has been what has been hurting the Blasters for some time now. Ye ba be ko major tournament yi. Me jitu me pass Otuado. And come here, me prefer pass and can you media or didn't come putting on hold now going back full time. Alaji Grusa Kasembi about 2 days ago, me say Adrian Kosopa. Or Kasembi, he is part of the management committee. Alaji Grusa Betima Kasembi Bray as a messenger Nankasa on one Mujina on Ankasa, and I'm for Bekasa will be Alaji Pekasado and Alaji de and Komobia and Awudi and Alaji de. But Abu, what is the message that Alaji is talking about? Message near day. Yebeko woke up in less than 45 days. Who expect Sanka by now? Scout yene juma. Who is scouts through on ma? Football is now scientific. Tactics, statistics. Eden yedigu akwema prepare. Samuel mana yedigu akwani mu nyina no. Abu Dhabi. Hwan. Amuna eto aso akwakoye.
Sompa 93.1.
And these are people amuna dey football anymore. Oka ho itina make say CF4 no as a messenger no kwamposi wo no ma. As a messenger no yebetimi aka no hu nsem bebre say Alaji kura kasa dodo na nso no kura dem bi. But the message itself no oka no no kura na sanya no kura no kura. But oka ho bi so no make that particular decision no. And they will need to make sure so make me put things into order. For selection to be done for this, me check players. Oh, I'm on Abu Dhabi. Sagana and Kasana Senki, a cano crepa, ni, the favoritism, no cronyism, semne, no be Bratun Chenya, Abu Dhabi. Casquad, they bet me their Remo World Cup. You bet me they are matching most of the nations boot for boot. Because these are players are individually, no. Omo clubs are, these same players, no, we see a Kaima South Korea, Portugal, and even the Uruguay national team, they see a Kaimbo. And omo so so omo Airbus and omo ngoye omo ni. So the job of the coach in terms of doing those selections is to make sure say cohesion be there. Everybody the setup him. One, we are getting selections wrong. Two, there's no cohesion whenever I ever born. It's a two troubles one God. If you are even getting the selections right and there's no cohesion, and if you say with time, with the last few days at there, and we did me drafted BBI gidi and sana World Cup and do cry campaigns earlier. As a crane because most of the leagues in the don't answer be breaky. A league be any time or be breaky. The EPL has their time to break. The French Liga has their time to break. The Italians, but your definite date, no yet the last day. But before the last day in Abu Dhabi, your various clubs are and have various leagues on our time are be breaky and making sure some players back are successful. And with their various national teams. So our backline, that's Abu Dhabi, or Amate, now Joseph Edu, now Salisu, now Ojiku. If you even decide to go with a 3-back system, where Uwo Mohamed Salisu, Uwo Joseph Edu, na Uwo Amate, Ana Jiku Emubako Ekanwa. Joseph Edu, when you go to the Spanish Premier La Liga, what has Celta Vigo be, you understand the level of performance of the men Celta Vigo week in, week out. And then Ahuodi Kutano. Not even talk about Mohamed Salisu. Jiku and Amate have been with the club. Omokomo clubs that they perform so well. Uwo wing backs, na so Tarek Lamte. Now wing back bit say Gideon Mensah. Or Thomas Tepate won Fifi or Baba Idrisu ho. If you are talking about the likes of Salis, Sankere Salis about be roaming to this team. Or Salis about Clement for my everyone my so see I come along. Look at the kind of quality you possess. At the point the Manchester United send a scout say a brand here friend Salis because no more here a defensive midfielder in such a profile like Bukuta Air Salis. Or the never ban answer by any day. If you should come, you understand the level of quality you have in your midfield. Or Elisha or not even talk about Kofi. The quality of possess, even in the Bundesliga or Kopi say, we saw the performance of Danny in that particular weekend. Or affront one come out or Abu Dhabi. If you have Inaki Williams, if you have Mohamed Kudus, and if you even have the lives of Kamal Sowa, the enemies personal diseases on one and so on. But at least young try to say be a decided to say Benyana Mana Bayede. I'm gonna be see a kind of but if you have Kamadin Sulemana and performance not dine a D Rene, and I didn't be Pim, I didn't the same position or bo. René, no say betimi abuama blaster and letimi fan to my befra. Why not? We have players who have been playing alongside with some of these top class players in Europe. But enam for some where Timmy, where Kame, where Koye say, Madame Funiway, where mommy say me play near me boa no see her. Ebasa blaster selection, we are always going to have trouble within the team. There be a troubles, and we have less than 45 days. Abu Dhabi DNA, Yapako joining the masses libi. Ni akobo tournament no 1 2 3 every money abefie na betina se na de ese sumia no se rebuilding na. These are things we need to avoid. It's avoidable. You betimi aye. Be ni kwansi atwen. This is the time our coach no mo no ankasa ntena se. On the technical team, they should pick their own players. Stay out if you are an FA member. Stay out so your communications director say then. Stay out so only technical person sit somewhere. And I'm citing example more say question Nantechi. Apostle knows question Nantechi more than I know. Busano so interfere player selection. Apostle na team enemy. And that is not right. That is not right. And yet Abu Dhabi asema enye allow the tech ufa na so be adwuma ma meboa.
Komia.
Uchianeka.
Enye every president players have a friend obi we also be babeboa. Debida.
Get na kofa coach by so betima ya adwuma there we should have employed who FA president to be the coach. So if so betima ya coach, itike fa otuado. Ayefa George Boateng ayefa Chris Hughton no. Na nke de keta na de panimu bia. Owo FA ho no ma na adua na management committee member bi o ya de bia na maka technical team no mo na mo nko ya adwuma no. And the coach can say player age na ha now so jina na so direct defend ye. You paid the coach because of trusting the selections. Utia coach ne ka because uti 2 years on na betime nya the best out of team na obetime create the akwakwa bibi tournament no. Intina you are paying our coaches huge amount of money. Chris Hilton and Fanos, the only person who can have a say in some of these things is a technical director, which is Benalepet. Tunya Benalepet, Unya Chris Hilton, Unya George Watting, Unya Otuabe. These are people who are supposed to be taking decisions. Oh yes, that's what.
Ajuma ben pan.
They say Ajuma Drusuni is some more talent search. Amukwa a talent bro super no matima form no more develop you. We say they
lazy Benalepet Ajuma.
And as Benalepet Ajuma technical director or her be from juvenile to senior.
I remember that Benalepet was one boy you. Abu coach crowd or one friend
Benalepet there. These things here appointed coach crowd and maybe decision making Benalepet was not in. And look quite see it's a pan or Ghana. It's a taking decisions are so didn't grant your job Benalepet Kampuka because you have coach crowd Benalepet in team. Yefa coach.
I was just a technical director, the apostle, Boame Kakra. At least the team there, Bass coach be qua, and the Manu Yabe Timia Bijinamna, why you Jumana Kakrana.
Oh, yes, in terms say match war national team, then Nisu and the Menimia, whilst you for me a management committee, say or no, a search team of 3. Normally that's the case. FA management committee for also, and then also. Sometimes I have the general secretary and on the technical director. No, he's supposed to be part of the team because coach Namope say be a carpenter, and to a technical director is the best person that should complement about technical issues there. So that's the way and normal circumstances. Say technical director no ad hoc until someone will be. Also, they say DNU.
How do you understand time and any coach in the ground? Your money didn't cry and Casimo, ye pick coachy crown on ship. I go me for a
yes, Abu. Iti the American nani say if you are going to the World Cup and you free say Otuado had the right man, Chris Hilton had the right man, George Watson had the right man. We are begging every single interest should stay aside. Momo munyo majuma. Enti no we adwuma no na so wantimi anye ne ya. Oba ye betimi akɔhye na ka che ne say. Ye bia wo ma wankasa do play akoyi sei. Eba ko wi ase no na afi coach no so ba betena sei. Mo kasa bi nyina no ko tournament na mo the player we bear me. We see me for we see interv on these kind of things not issues for free chen ba and one person when be go assessor so allow the coach to do his job.
Mate mera se pa bozo.
Okay, right. So quick one. Your convention or about national team, and so say coach and in the technical team a picky players we are. Some share the management committee of the Black Stars. Defending reasons why Omo Piki Akomia above me in a particular position. The reason is that Omo Nomia Management Committee, Omo Nomba Ghana for them I explaining Sanko here. And the Omo person we are convinced. Oh, the Omo Udi Obeka wasem. Okay, Intiana now far Rocky. Alana number 5. Okay, yes, you're a Ghanaian player. Like Akomia I mentioned a lot of Ghanaian player position we are there now man consider no. Oh, coach, you know, so church musa. Nientia we ya dear opposition we nientia Manfredo and I be still here observing no that you are dear year your best friend and we're going to take time to be frank with you or no after that explanation no more taking note that you somebody will refer you to name or catch romo and no that's no I could present you until normally almost year no before I could present the players no for at a press conference answer 12 for Baby Bissau the reason why almost a convincer no I'm go ahead. I feel like with you. So there's here. So that has been the convention because it's very important. Anko ya Ghana for beside every president asem. Na sa anu ye no the moment. Ometimi anya kwenya acheche mu se. Coach na ni share all picky players. Ye bisa no we ni okan ye ni. Ye bisa ni okan. Because ye jitum so no na ja onim dinti. Ye din ni etie no ni e man go ado ye juma. So that is one, and his time. To be frank with you, even Edu under 20 grading way, while stars at Seydou Salifu, he was picked on merit for the 2013 under 20. Baba Rahman Ekahun on merit.
I don't call it so justify.
And then I make answer on merit. But Nwan Kasa has never told a coach, never. Frequency secret to me this training. Sometimes they meet on now go see president now to me a player go for player but not this so he doesn't care because he's giving the coach his job to do. So I know Nanka I say I did. That is why also all Kasano or can based on experience. Or say coach, you know, and me say oh yeah coach wet your salt. na umaye dictatima then unye qualified to be a coach. Member blame me sir. Sebi u ena akomia na semi fawe and the sebi unim ejuma no nim de unsem fata say the ejuma no. Because uyesa egu hufi e ma we ejuma no esinto bem e chesa unye qualified untimi nko wenim. National team baba bi enu obefro na coach obia anti Ghana for central for over thousands of stations obia ke bia na offer over 1,000 players.
Oh dabi.
Umpenyi for suka. So you should know one. Players being one kasa okwe a DN approach and how they call it to the tournament. Players being na only my ejuma so far more the bonus so ini ambeti me a fit in that system. Players being na washa more the bonus a confirm in the course of the qualifier. A be there a course for a so the ombe kahu. Sene beya ye kwa ye beti be a boy humodi. And we are purely your decision. And for pressure ni interest ebeba. Yeah, had the normal. Because Africa normal. Man remember Nkrofo try some of the list normal.
Sompa 93.1.
Even players, some members of the Black Star can influence the coach in picking their friends.
Players in a bobo.
Yes. And see a hot there so now go see appear fair Juma. I remember sir. Go see appear fair Juma. We spent 48 hours. Many Ibrahim Sanidara preparing for his press conference. And all these things came up. Member players no ding and Baku ball local league. Member ding it's not right. By try so best channel there before the press conference. Or man warning. He put it on speaker. Or say men see Biom in his life. And that's because he appear for you. He will never. Because he appear won't try no. The men try. So best channel there as a player. Why should you come for Opubium? He hates that thing. So me church how even players from national can influence even the coach through money to call him and pick him. And go see appear faces side money now and he's or stamping out. And now what you can see appear Breswa, he was tough.
Very tough.
Or to be fair players because the 12 on TS, but later young player now about TS say player of me Kai Jordan look go see appear Fred Jordan Baba response in Ghana Sudan 0-0.
3.1.
Now sad a young afino man opportunity. About for central for Sepeno na Kola Benny. And then Jordan is who he is today because of Kwesi Appiah. Baba Rahman. Baba Rahman them. So that's him. Or no or convinced. When no be boamia. That's it.
I was that because you have run at the Abdul Majid Waris why?
Yes, Majid Waris. He began one man of So yes. The reasons why Kurt Muninya issue, I would not like to go some frivolous. But the point is that Otoado said 2 months grand a half hour. Sabi Utiasia said Juma Pesoye, Chris Hutton, George Barton over Jumano. Utraho na obichro ni so ya na unsefata. And that is a caution and ora crazy and techi Emano LTS. Look, the decision say the under 24 because 2010 AFCON. Nanya easy. Esemilu chichi.
Also chichi.
He has to come because enkola mo ajuma bedumu amufi do say Jonathan Mensah guys who are young every boy Europe omo under 20 year opoko ajuma say young man they be me because they won't see a thing in the dim bona sana nyame unfortunately we are some these young talented players they are you call member of also in kola nkokobo any penny for kakra. And the true test came when we play Ivory Coast Asians apply.
Yeah.
Nema Asian echo fractured metatarsal where almost 5 months. Now almost 6 months, but was Asian and one thing. He has to convince. Well, Anna Milo or is there a Tom Jugovic now? Auntie go feel beyond. But at the end of the day, all the nice feminine. You finals.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, get those super sub and Egypt DG Cup. You call World Cup 2010 yanya first. So coach no there, Oman no free hand. Look, Stevanovic, you call AFCON 2012. The entire Jordan class at the Empire no free. Yeah, man no free hand. Near more kind one to be and so coach the man no free hand. Bibio here be among famano. Na coach no so you be man general nice. na ka say we na mepe na e kire mu nie ntia ope we tina make us ade odi ye party no mepe but now so ye firm about selection the choice of players or the call because so anye no ye na nkrofo bo wanfa na nkofo bia ke ono ankasa ene de wanya Dortmund but etibetimi ase wo carry adachi that Dortmund won't for the rest of your life it be a big opportunity but now we more a sit on kwama so he has to be firm about that now after Black Star there Ghana ni bia wa kwenya so be trainer dream say player be for central for the day you players so nemo ni nyina be jira coach ni nice ni nyina obi abetimi a trainer dream but bottom line we your coach wona wako school wona e dey adwuma na che wonsam nya kukudu na ne edin ni adwuma no monte ase na fafa players almost fata o de fafa players ama na uya den a obi banya asema ka bara list dodo na Ghana for ntimi nya rehemu wo team no mo say players ya wa fa ide o de omo kọ akona o metimi ekwankundin di enunyama bromai no so on kwesika about my colleagues me I've had the privilege of being in Sudan. I was part of the campaign team for Rakuzinia Techi. I name it Godfather. The late Alhaji Slaitete, may so rest in perfect peace. After he elected Kuzinia Techi on his first CAF executive committee, the first meeting at Omokoye, then Kalusha Boy Abai, I was there with Yampo Fankra. And I Kalusha Boy Abai. So Jeffrey, as my brother, what's up? How was the meeting? Oh, Kuzinia Techi. Oh, no. Your president is too intelligent. He's too intelligent. He doesn't listen higher too. That was the first meeting. He elected on the first meeting. What is it? And ono nema make answer Libya, Afconomo yi, Yebazar ono, and other things. And ti ogro do baby na ni colleagues thing na Ajia tum say no credit nyamieni. Ye nyina ye adwuma e die na mom papa we die. Aha.
Na level now what
or was so change no credit ye gentum. Yeah. And to be frank with you, anytime I'm call, if you ever have an opportunity to work with this man, or you're very sharp. Assemblies is here on near so ye a man solution ba. And to actually a lot of the FIFA delegations problem about normalization about Africa delegation corner yen come make be most of them what do you say of fast solution come now time Ahmad in fact Anka Ora going to take as a president before Ahmad but cool no take place in Nigeria no now that time no on 2011 election na Ora Isaiah to support Benin African president Michel Anjorin and I went winning and not only but later what was akwana binti Ora Isaiah to start be nya odos from kuma kuzinya diji and the abedin kwesi be won say abedin say obe kweti ano because first don't pay myself but say obe pay myself nti say obe gina etian de na anything because no nyina was rooting for kwesi and Ahmad say bansa Ahmad zo ondo betimi like buga but no credit say Ahmad no pay Madagascar president edi we dey be film keke na Ahmad be president nerentia Ahmad be nya problem a time awura kwesinya te say be anas nsem fun odi ye
Sompa
Mfaso bi enisu ni anas expose any your football in there Mfaso bi enisu besi enu ne ma Ahmad Sebio the half of the brain of Ahmad administration na kwesinya techi Ahmad Bagana te say na free akomia timi kobrema no ofree juma won za akomia ofree juma kobrema ba sa sana Ahmad Bagana because na adwin na ye dey running football at that level in na ekwesi never no advice and the time akwesi anasi shunu ba no after na Ahmad start here ba he was the brain of Ahmad and the Ahmad so that na arrangement is Ahmad so after one term no person call Madagascar president no hia no kra chen we dey beto mu na nka wa hand over more question antechi so among the peers no nyomo ye adwuma nyina no mo gito mu se ba football no mu nimde ne nipa ese ye nyina ye sua free ho He was the one. And to sure, a boss from Madam Johansson,
Sompa 93.1.
Sierra Leone former FA president, Obano. We're going to take you picking for you. No, I feel like to know through. On a man about Cabas Gadu Committee. You better waffle, Kumasia. One of the reasons was because we're going to be all tough in Mamino.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And our mama, you know, a bit T-bonus because also Oba. Oh yes. Now, Lydia Iserek from Burundi. Or now FIFA Council for a long time. Or former Burundi every president. Until now, on kwana yo Oba nanka one member antem. And I was superja. And they are Johansson and a member of the Cabas Gadu Committee.
Yeah.
What they are here. And so, look. Or do or bonny brad do pepper so na on one PS no say. So be lady Africa. I want ba football ma because on the name there. But unfortunately, the papa for you why they are now we shed and chest. What they say and na sebi because say unfortunate and something because me understanding of football. Sa expose no it means nothing. Opa year expose 20. It will not change the aspect of operation and mafia.
Football.
Yes, this all a nyanchum, also ignorant.
Football.
And a better than I can far. Yes, it will never change. Abrochua,
correct sport.
It will always be a key feature of it. And your correct sporter, and Saudi Arabia only 2 class of England, even though it's against it. But you see, Todd Boy company, no. Todd company majority shares and owned by Saudi Arabia public investment fund.
Yeah.
Newcastle and Saudi Arabia no own it.
Yeah.
Is it not against the law? Our England sending Papa go the 2 club. But and see. And you money see you. What's that? We are seeing won't see dynamics. I see any vested interest, any permanent interest, and friends are no bet can't cancel. It will continue to be part of it. Ebesipa Senegal and South Africa bobo. Referee Joseph Lamte incident no. Work out qualify. It's okay. Match Ramos and Bobio. As football. Nema dosu. Nema work chiri I come and son more result the dosu. And so far as football here, it will continue to be corrupt sport. And ade o mso omo oni o musi aka no mo yebi wa nye bia ebebu agu so o ye ne anchi so a so ye chiwa ya be fara sanity o dey say so ya na microphone jai Ghana Kotoko Azovo they've done a lot of operations in their matches Africa whatever a lot yes Ali a lot of operations Esperance, a lot of operations. We are never far, no, I'm far. Fanasa.
Abostomate.
A lot of operations.
Echo football.
Matches do goes be our own income. My name say Akomia now wet me a kai 2014 work Yeni Zambia 2-1
Mekai.
Referee Mahmoud Al-Raj of Morocco.
Yeah.
Who can go near Shen or kind of 9. No, I call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Zambia defenders. Mochi.
Yeah.
No, I buy mu. Yes. Or yeah, elite referee, but no, yeah, smart. Free kicks. No, I kind of 9. Wa kind mako che na ya buff. I can tricks no. Yeah, elite. Nyano glare. Never got the idea. But now.
If you are smart enough, you know Sadia.
That's the point I'm making.
That referee is not handle match now. Why you DT your bobu a ise so be advantage amano kwa no waje farm two dreams o akoyi boy o
on member of ejuma no
kotoko ne kade ogo no o kai se kotoko nya free kick bi referee na ne tambo
ono na de bon koto
so okay
me kai pa
one new operation see e ba krum asa na e
is it kotoko match commissioner oro pokunti we dey sorry say make we na me oro pokunti George Kennedy ni match commissioner no free library onim ne okan Presido, Presido, we have to manufacture a goal. We have to manufacture a goal. Sir, on no match commission, we catch a 4th referee, no catch a referee, no baby, you know. manufacture and say near nim cry so
was all more Mudio.
yes a part of football.
About about it, Kobo where the China, Minimzia Babani Ababe Twaso, Mamma Faffer from 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Also, Wakunya Zorba joining our Wabo Modena Wajin channel at me about 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Brun Sama Udona so Ewo Hanoma Komona Yedin and I'm with the pa na. From one of the baby runny teensy said an MSC coin any day. Hey, Edion, my battle, the baby Alcazavi. Ober radio be doing a team or why? Dumu radio no team or I told me cassette from my child dancing. Maybe I'll meet you. That's all something to say. Last night, also, no Diano for now, you bet him chance once, but you Romo November and Queen Dams will beat me about my you're read the World Cup squad and why? Ati, Menso made us a palm about your Diani baby Alcazavi. Champion, I would have been Nascopi. And the national mind, if you have a cordial. Oh, my word, then as well. Radiadum, and then we remember about soon a bit of 4. Apostle Jesus Valley, and then on a board up the former apostle every year. Where I this year, at least go to see, it's called last copy. Carta Dilla, North African in the party. I will have out of folk when they put away. As be fear young bocha. That's not. But I am more. I'm on fire now. When you say, how to acquire for which young can want. Players and I never played yet. I bet I said more. Oh, I think I like you know. Yeah, that's because they say, ask you, coach. As you know, sports crew, no. When I won't buy a time of chicken, I will buy out to my them. Not to Kelly, you know, so we back down a hand. How to focus from an almost not being some to them, my wife. Now we are here for the year, waiting there, won't you? The unit is a bit limited. Martin Medalse, Papa Pacho, Diani baby Alcazafi.
MC Rooney, Mr. White.
Pacho meet you.
And Apostle Como, the Emmy the car, and the ball as me okay. There's a bone up where to say, and can wrestling no. Wrestling that first Yanka, a power shall say, you're Bonapa, but Neddy, who shall I act in this? Open the panel, double check, no, yes, now I take you a Kuma. If you say bonus to sign up for you, or man can some night to say movie, no barbecue. If you say, okay, team that partner, and far, name me, I know, and I come with one of your born up for you. Yakuma, they did the administration. As yet, near to me, then you show our mini dinner, mini signal. I say, sadly, they say, you are doing finish of class. That's it.
Maltable Subedas 0551 931 941 0551 931 941 0548 931 941. Also, no Wakunya. So, bit me a room. Pacho Diani baby Alcazafi.
Yes, sir.
Robert.
Boss.
Yeah, go.
Let me tell you, I need to give you a me. I was able to go to the book and Yamiadma, the Butupia, and Yamiadma. They have to go to protesting and plenty of education. It was the original coach of Mopana. We just say, coach. I like that. I assistant coach. You don't really know what has a book in the country. As a book is so protesting, I am more friends that coach me. Almost getting
Robert, but Pacho Diary baby Alcazafi.
Open Cassie now, Pumba there.
No, what you're paying as well.
Rather not do Roman for the open Cassie.
Roman for a
are you make videos to Abra, name Fanta Cassie more the emerging of Blow so doing what you say. Now, men tell at the mafia. Now, open Cassie. Well, Mama, you made the Yamaka. Ya Ghana, ya million break. Young free men see for ma. And some Ghana football, a best and Kim more. A best and Kim more. What is it say? Africa, Kotoko film. That's in so cool. Ghana League are top. They're putting on hold. Every 4 party, when the best pan into a man Ghana, your ma. You're not 13 years. You can't be the phone to woman and the Jacotrantaya and then. The Tokusobe every president. One of the born in your politics, yeah. We what say game or think about more. I rather and some Adam for Papa Mammy is okay. Or what about for America and this was there. When I'm sorry, tum. I will walk and get it. And yes, when I never man and I get a mask.
Martin made us a papa pacho, Diani baby, our Casafi. About Jina Ye and Casawai. Yeah, Meton Kayako. Abuba Kwasi Ababi, Miriam and Fobu, Abapacho, Diani baby, our Casafi. Yes, sir. Yeah, good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
I somehow only a time, I'm I was just Ghana, and fully Ghana, which now taking me and
Mate, Medasepa, Mapacho, also bet me aba, na ya reche, Yebe Pijimuna Fina Minima to Australia, amount 0548 931 931. Me for Mapacho, Diani baby, our Casafi.
That's the macro.
Pacho, meet you.
Maybe a 5 days period, number million member. Master Mohammed said, I may have got a coffee on the house for me.
Mate, Bezo Medaselo, the out the Baba Rami for we chat to Diani baby, our Casafi. Hello.
Oh, Diaby.
Yes, sir.
Dinner Caramo 1, you.
Yamayako.
Maybe a time the bar, you have to put you to the cat, and I depend on half the half the attempt. Said you in a great Ghana football, or Ghana football the time. I can't me at one. Now, that your money number or more, the apple and more. Last season, one I'm a fire, I'm a for Let on the half a day for yesterday. From the papa, killing no money and put on. No more from the ball on the you see, the entire town working. They are not talking about the academy and the Tarano.
Atemeda say no premier called DJ Tofia kwa na minim bana ba be ramet me na mo che be 7 to 7:30 tip off e wa dia che bia no so na 9:30 to 12 futa ne be 3 to 4 shootout e Robert Abadia ko dia ke bia to aso etimi e da ma
nanka obi